Hello, Hearts of Iron 3 players. This is Gamer1745. And maybe at the start of this video you're going to hate me, but by the end I hope you like me again. So please stay around for the whole thing. I thought about putting this behind a paywall on my Patreon. But no, I want to help people. But please, if you haven't already, hit the subscribe button, share this video. If this video helps you out, gives you a new bit of information, share this video out somewhere. Maybe on the Black Ice forums, make a new post somewhere. If I'm going through all this trouble to help you, can you please help me by sharing this video out with somebody if this helps you? This is the part, yes, you're going to hate me for. Because I'm a little bit... Because I think you're great people, probably. A particular post is prompting this, and I'm doing this to try to help. But I get a fair number of these types of things. I've done everything they've said to do, and my game won't install. I've followed all the directions, and my game won't install. Right. Well, if you've done it, your game works just fine. If you followed all the directions. So you have not followed all the directions. If your game won't play, after installing it, won't do something, you're not following the directions. Because if you have, your game will work. I know it is complicated, but if you install all of them, it will work. I have a video, let's just see here how many people have seen the video. Popular uploads. Here, install guide. 34,000 views. If you've watched all of the video, actually watched all of the video, you will know this. But of course you don't watch all the video. Right? Okay. That's the part. So please, like this. Everybody can just like this video. Everybody should be subscribing. Please. It helps me out if I'm doing this to help all you guys out. And share this video somewhere, on some forum, on some social media website, somewhere. Get a few other people to watch this, link this. Right. Okay. This is important to do. I have, you can maybe see here, many installs of Hearts of Iron 3, and this is just on OneDrive, active now. If you don't do this, you will constantly be effing things up, and things won't work. Right. This is a simple thing to do. Whether it's Steam or game companies like to put your save game in your documents folder, subfolder, blah, 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 where to find the damn crap. I don't know why the fuck they do that, and I'm upset with them on this now. But it is simple. See this little text file here? User, userdir.txt. You need to create a text file named that. You have to do this. I can't type on the computer, gamer. Yeah, okay, well then you can't do this. But you have to create a text file. You can do it in any text, basic text editor, Notepad. You have Notepad on your computer. Create a file named this. and do this. Type in /TFH. Okay, just that, and then save it, and then place it. Now this is just my current Let's Play OI3 install in your basic main folder, directory, however you like to call it, where you have your OI3.exe. Okay, that's where it goes. That's how you should be starting. Black Ice, don't use other launchers. Use OI3.exe. Got that? OI3.exe, not any of these other things. Because this launches this. You want to go straight to this. Launch this, click your mods that you want to do. That's where this goes. And what this will do, you could technically make it a little different with some of the stuff, but you just follow this instruction. What it will do is it'll create these things. This will have, like, all of your save games will be here. I keep moving my old ones out to keep it from being too many saves in one thing. But this will be, and this is where your map cache will go if you needed to download your map cache because you didn't like, I guess, the one that it doesn't generate one if you have to use the installed one, I gather. Mine normally just does it just fine, so I normally don't use the map cache. Your log files, you can deal with those. It'll do the graphics, whatever. It'll create this for each install of your basic mods. And so you can have multiple install. If things aren't working, totally delete this thing, reinstall, copy it to a new place. Make sure you are always adding, wherever you go, you're adding userdir.txt. Create a file that just says this, and you're done. You're good. And so you can have multiple installs. So that should hopefully solve many people's headaches that are having problems with updating things. And what can happen is that if you have it all in the single location, you will load the modded version of the game. You'll play that, you'll load that, and then you'll load another version, and so there'll be different maps, or you'll load the base version or the game will or whatever, and it's conflicting maps. So use the user.dir. You happy with me again? You probably don't love me, but you're happy with me again. So please share this video out. It'll help people. It'll help me get the channel out. Share a video. If not this one, share a few others. I'd love to grow my YouTube channel. I don't mind helping people, but this is definitely already been covered a few times. And I know I don't read the manuals at first either, but yes. Sorry for the upsetness, but this should help. Thank you all. Good gaming. See you next time for more Hearts of Iron.